Samahan mo kami at maglilibot tayo sa isa sa mga pinakasikat na historical place na matatagpuan sa Binyan, Laguna, at ito ang Alberto's Mansion.
Nila Luna. Okay pa. Salamat po. Magandang hapon po. Ilang taon na po kayo?
60 na.
60 years old po. Ano pong ulit pangalan niyo?
Remedios, Benjamin.
Remedios Benyon po. Matagal na po kayo nakatira dito?
Oo, mga 30 years na siguro.
30 years na po. Pwede po ba kayo magbigay po about ng background po sa storya ng bahay po ng lolo ni Rizal? Any background information lang po.
Ayan, hindi ko masyadong ano yan. Kasi ang alam ko noon yan, may sininligaya dyan. Yan lang, alam ko. Pero hindi ako masyadong ano dyan sa ano ni Rizal.
Ay, hindi po.
Oo.
Opo. Sige po. Salamat.
In the story of Alberto Mansion, we learn the importance of preserving cultural heritage and the value of community effort in protecting historical landmarks. Through this project, I learned about the deep connections between history, culture, and community identity. A memorable line from the interview was, "That place used to be a movie theater." These lessons underscored the importance of valuing and safeguarding our cultural heritage. In my daily life and career, I can apply these lessons by advocating for historical preservation, supporting community initiatives, and recognizing the significance of our culture roots in shaping a better future.
While vlogging the history of Alberto's mansion, I learned the importance of telling a story. Not just a story, but a compelling story. It's not just about the fact, but about engaging the audience with the human element behind those facts, Alberto's dreams, struggles, and the eventual fate of his mansion. The lines that the interviewee said that are worth remembering is, our interviewee said that Alberto's mansion has an event called Sining Ligaya, and it's also called Bahay na Bato. The story of Alberto's mansion and the vlogging project can teach me valuable lessons in my daily life and career. This includes appreciating impermanence, practicing gratitude, effective communication, and listening skills. In the professional world, attention to details are crucial. Technical skills and creativity can be developed through continuous learning and innovative thinking. Customer focus and a collaborative approach can be fostered through understanding and responding to the feedback.
What changes happen in your value system, sense of nationalism, habits, and daily lifestyle? Looking back on the term, I can say that SS032 has had a big impact on how I view social and cultural concerns. My appreciation for the value of historical and communal preservation has grown as a result of it. These days, my value system emphasizes social responsibility, empathy, and getting involved in community activities. My view of nationalism has changed to include a deeper respect for the rich culture legacy that forms our country. I changed my behavior as a result, paying closer attention to how my actions affect protecting our historical and cultural resources. This change has inspired me to be more proactive in making positive contributions to society and has affected the way I live my daily life.
Studying Philippine history can lead me to personal transformation in various aspects of life, such as appreciation for freedom, respect for diversity, increased patriotism, and active citizenship. Habits such as reading and researching historical texts, visiting historical sites, and incorporating traditional practices into daily life can also develop. This deep understanding of this subject, responsibility towards preserving the nation's legacy, and engagement in civic duties can result in a more engaged and informed way of living. By appreciating our heritage, we cultivate a stronger sense of identity and purpose, shaping us into more mindful, engaged, and patriotic citizens. As we carry forward this lesson, let's continue to honor our past while actively contributing to a brighter future for our nation. Once again, thank you for watching our video.